The Tradeflame TF Ultra gas kits have been designed specifically to meet the performance and reliability standards of the trade professional. Robust and portable, these kits have an in-air temperature of almost 2000 degrees Celsius, bringing a professional edge to all heating, soldering and brazing jobs. The high-performance cyclone burners in these kits maximise power and heating speed that standard flame burners are unable to produce. They are particularly useful for tradesmen working primarily with pipes, as the entire work area is heated quickly rather than just a single point. There are two blowtorches in the range. The Turbo blowtorch kit has an ergonomic handle design with piezo ignition, adjustable flame with on-off control, and full flame function even when inverted. The Swivel blowtorch kit has an adjustable flame for precise operation, and a swivel burner for difficult operating angles.